We're shooting a stunt driver documentary today with Nikon's new ZR. It is their latest and lightest Z cinema camera, and it's made in collaboration with RID. Delivering dramatic, attention-grabbing angles from the get-go, this little powerhouse packs a punch that elevates every frame. Fast to set up and easy to deploy, it is the ideal choice for compact production teams. Fast, precise, and completely self-contained. It's all the monitoring I need. Who knew 4 inches could change the game? No matter how much dust and dirt the drifting throws up, the ZR stays protected, letting us capture every high-octane moment with confidence. High-res, high frame rate, full sun. The camera doesn't sweat. Can't say the same about us though. 32-bit float audio means the mic doesn't just hear the scene, it feels it, catching both the environment and Jason's pure excitement. With 12-bit R3D NE RAW, I get unparalleled flexibility in color grading. Exposure and white balance are never a worry, giving me full creative freedom in color grading to craft the perfect look. Small package, big picture.